How many hours have you been awake now?
46.
46. 46. 46. Okay, that's that bit.
46.
You're on film. Right. Hi John.
Hi Sam.
How are you?
I'm very tired.
Good. Well, that's not good. Actually.
I know, because
why are you so tired?
yesterday it took 31 hours to get to the hotel, and we're not even there yet. We're still on the bus right now.
We're travelling at the moment, aren't we?
Yes, we are. And it's
Through San Diego.
And we had about 16 hours travelling, and then 10 hours just standing around, going through check-in. I'm not happy. I don't want to be here right now. Goodbye.
So I stop you, just help me bro. I stop you, there's things I do. Put your hands on, put your hands on. Put your hands on.
Ben, I heard you didn't like the food very much.
Not really.
Like, could you explain what you didn't like about it?
It was all mushy.
It was all mushy. What was in it?
I don't know.
There was some kind of bean substance. In his defence, it wasn't very nice. But, like, what's the best food so far?
M&M's.
There was a lot of cookies in that one packet. Yeah. Are they tasty?
Yeah, I love it.
One, two, three, four.
Benji. How's it going?
It's going good.
Good. Have you done a lot of work today? Loads. That's so much.
More than anyone.
I'm loving the sunglasses. I see. What are you making at the moment?
Cement.
Cement. Awesome. So we're trying to fill up this.
Yeah.
Good job. Anyway, bye.
Getting on the road, so they get sweeter on the legs on my tails and a head for a hair. Ordered a pan and some shoes on my feet. I got a shelf full of books and most of my teeth. Few pairs of socks and a door with a lock. I got food in my belly and a license for my telly, and nothing's gonna bring me down. I got a nice guitar and tires in my car. I got most of the means and scripts for the scenes. I'm out and about, so I'm in with a shout. I gave it a chat, but better than that. Food in my belly and a license for my telly, and nothing's gonna bring me down. I'm about to blow that hard, man.
What we're doing right now is we are mixing the cement, which is going to go on the wall behind that chicken wire to solidify it, and it's going to keep it waterproof after we've tied it up as well, so it's a very important stage.
She's mighty fine and says she's all mine, and nothing's gonna bring me down. No! Oh, best of all, I've got my baby. Oh, best of all, I've got my baby. She's mighty fine and says she's all mine, and nothing's gonna bring me down. Oh, she's mighty fine and says she's all mine, and nothing's gonna bring me down. She's mighty fine.
If Lucia would like to say about her family, how many people in her family, how old they are.
Ellos quieren saber cuánta familia tienes tú, qué edades tienes tú y qué edades tiene tu esposo.
Mi esposo tiene 22
Her husband has 22 years old.
y Michelle tiene 4
She has a daughter that is 4 years old.
y Ricardo en mayo ya cumple 3.
And little Rich, the little boy, little Richie, in May he's going to be 3 years old.
Cool.
Yo tengo 23.
And her name is Lucero, and she has 23 years.
So what will this house mean to her and her family?
¿Qué va a representar esta casa para usted y para su familia? ¿Qué representa a ti lo que están construyendo ahorita para ti? Para
Pues me siento muy feliz
She says she's very happy to have her own house
porque ya voy a tener algo que es mío.
because now she's going to have something that is something of her own for her and for the family.
Oh, very good. Yeah. Will the children go to school? Can the family afford to send the children to school?
¿Tus niños van a la escuela ya?
Michelle va en primero.
Only her daughter. She goes to first grade.
Is she enjoying school?
¿Ella disfruta la escuela?
Sí.
And is there anything that Sia would like to say to the schools in England?
No quisiera decirle algo a los muchachos de la escuela de Inglaterra que están buscando dinero. She's very thankful
Que Dios les dé el doble de los que ellos me dieron a mí.
that God will continue giving you what you give and then double so you guys continue to provide.